Hello everyone, welcome back to the course of Developing Machine Learning Systems, and right now we are in the Python module. In this video, we'll try to learn about all the different data types that we have in Python. So let's get started. Right now we are talking about data types. So we have different data types. One classification is numerical data type. So in numerical data type, we can have integer data type, float data type, and complex data type. Integer data type can contain integral values like 2, 4, or -1 or 0. Float data type contains decimal values. So it can be -0.1 or 0.0 or 2.99. Complex data types contain imaginary numbers like 2 plus 4 iota. So this is numerical data type. And in numerical data type classification, we have integer, float, and complex data types. Another type of classification is sequence data type. In sequence data type, we have string, list, tuple. So string data type contains set of characters. So like Sumit, or maybe 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. List data type is an ordered collection of different objects. So it can be like 1, 2, 3, hello. Remember, I'm enclosing list with square brackets. I'm enclosing string with double quotes, and tuple is again a sequence, and tuple can be created, or tuple is represented by round brackets. So tuple is again a sequence data type, which it can be like 4, 9, 1, 2, then close, then the round bracket to close the tuple. So these are three different sequence data types. What is the difference between these different sequences in terms of their properties is something which we will be learning when we will be discussing this in a lot of detail. Another data type that we have, another data type classification that we have is set data type. In set data type, we have set data type. So set data type can be created using curly brackets. So let's say 1, A, 4, 0. So this is a set data type. Set data type is different than sequence data types because of their properties, which we'll be learning in the next classes. Then after that, we have hashing data types, or better say it like mapping data types. Mapping data type. Dictionary is one of the mapping data types that we have in Python. So how we can create a dictionary? Again, round brackets, and you can have key value pairs. So now this is a key, this is a value, this is a key, this is a value. Dictionary is a mapping data type where you can map data using keys and values. After that, we have something called Boolean data type. So in Boolean data type, Boolean data type can contain only two values, true or false. So Boolean data type can only contain two values. After that, there is one more very specific data type. I mean, you may not call it as a data type, but it's there, which is called none type. So when there is nothing, when it's void, then you can represent a void using none. So these are the data types that we have in Python, and these are the classification of the data types. Remember one thing, Python follows an object model. So everything is an object in Python. That means every data type which I talked about is just an instance of an object. So you can think of every data type as an object. Now integer, float, complex, string, This is a very special type of object which is derived from the object type only. So this is all about the data types. Let's discuss all of these data types one by one in the next videos.